Today we went squishy hunting and we scored, y'all, and this is what we found.
So first I got banana.
Ooh, banana. There's a banana.
Next I got the squishy duck.
Squishy duck. Ooh, so stretchy.
Next, the Jumbo Ultimate
Distressor.
Pink, by the way.
Pink one. They have pink ones. They have pink ones and blue ones. See, can I touch it? Wow. Amazing. Can you stretch it?
Yeah, it's filled like with foam.
Okay, that is all what we scored today. See you guys next time. Subscribe so y'all could see what we find.